Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Equip your breacher with explosives and a backup shotgun because forced entry is faster than picking locks when guards rotate. Move as a team, one hacks doors while two provide cover, so you split tasks and reduce exposure. Use a single rendezvous point for regrouping. It saves time when smoke or alarms scatter you. Once done, plant soft charges on main gates, then pull back to safe distance. You want entry to be explosive, brief, and controlled so you own the timeline. You breach and move immediately through choke points, throw a flashbang, then one teammate clears while the other watches exits, because speed stops reinforcements from flanking. Once inside, locate the control terminal and hack it. This shuts turrets and opens inner doors, so prioritize that for safety and speed. While one person extracts core nodes, another covers the approach and calls out spawns. Make sure to tag rare ore and data drives first. They weigh little and net the most profit when you extract. You leave on your per-planned route the moment core items are secured. Delay invites heavy spawn waves. Use smoke or flash cover to mask movement and send your fastest runner with the heaviest stack. This balances speed and haul capacity. If alarms go off and turrets lock, execute the secondary extraction. Duck into a side tunnel, wait for cooldown, then sprint to the secondary rendezvous. One troubleshooting tip: if your hacker fails, sacrifice non-essential loot and withdraw. Fixes cost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.